All right, Mia. So this used to be your mommy's hair room. I've started breaking it down to make it into your room. We have a little ways to go today. There's your crib and your dresser with a changing table on it. We're gonna clear all of this stuff out today, with the exception of the picture and those flowers. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna leave them in here for you. And I just wanted to show you what your room was looking like before you get here. Crazy. Look at your closet, girl. Got you together, okay, Miss Ma'am? Ooh, let's start it up. All right, Mia. Your room is clean. These things are staying in here because they belong to you, with the exception of the vacuum cleaner. And then, you know, that's our room over there. Ironing board has to be put up. Now we can work on putting together your crib and your dresser, which I think I want to go on this wall. I think. We're gonna see though. I feel like that's gonna be too much light for you over there. But here's your room before we get it together. All right, Mia. I've opened your crib. That's your dresser changing table combo. And we are about to get this show on the road. KK's in your room and all in this video. She thinks she belongs here. Chanel. Hi, Mama. Let's get started. This is a pretty neat way that they packed up the stuff that you need. All right, part 1 done. Let's see, what is part 2? Oh, okay. Looks pretty easy to me. Let's do it. There's your dad, Mia.
Put stuff together.
Rocket, get out of Mia's stuff.
Looking crazy. Ooh. Why you said it wasn't working? You just wanted me to do it?
It didn't go in as smooth as the rest of them. It was tight. The rest of them I got in there in like 2 seconds. This one, no bueno. As you can see, Rocket is trying to help your dad. He's not really that helpful.
He probably wants to eat it.
And Chanel is doing what she does best, taking a nap. You know it.
Where's she at?
Right here. This should be up in like the next 20-30 minutes. I'm pleased.
Me of the year is 2020 right now.
It is.
Now I want to let you know we have better tools than this, but for whatever reason,
That is an Allen key,
your
Mia.
dad said don't use what I call a power tool.
Your dad is obsessed with power tools, okay? He's very offended that they won't let him use his power tool.
So whatever year you watching this in, just know 2020 wasn't this primitive. We had better options. 2020
was pretty primitive, Mia. It was excuse my language, a shit show.
You learn about it in history class one of these days.
You will. And your dad just threw the Allen key. Told you it was hard to get in there. It didn't go in as smooth as the rest of them. The rest of them things went in real smooth, not this one.
Maybe it's not lined up with it.
Those things are adjustable. Hello.
What up?
We had a mishap. I didn't record that, Mia, because I was stressed out. Your dad came and fixed it.
Well, you might be doing the most sometimes.
Well, you know, I was stressed.
Try to tell me what to do with power tool.
It was stuck. It was broke.
That's when you need the muscle.
Your bed almost went to the trash, Mia. That's how I felt. But it's almost together. So you think there's like 6 other pieces left, but we won't talk about that. We'll just continue on.
That mean I gotta like reach down in there to get her?
No, because the mattress is high.
They should have a button where it's like, woo, raise her ass.
Your dad wants everything to be futuristic.
Everything automated.
She shouldn't be in this crib sleeping until she can lift her head up. To make it a little easier for us to get her out.
She got a big ass head. She might never get down from it.
You hear your dad?
I seen it.
He said you probably ain't never gonna get your head up.
Big head.
I got faith in you. Your brother got his head up, and his head's large.
Probably you're yelling back there.
Yeah. That's why you're in here with us, because he's a maniac. But you'll appreciate it. Appreciate being in here with us, not him being a maniac. Let's see what our next... No, we have a lot more steps.
Oh, out of here.
Wow, your dad's leaving me. Okay.
You know if it gets hard again.
There he goes, you guys. He's out of here. Thanks, bye.
Bye. That work.
All right, we're gonna do this. Let's see where these pieces go.
Yeah.
All right, Mia, it is together. So the last thing to do is to flip it up. Let's see if I can prop this up so you can see me flip it. Kinda. All right. Let's move on the trash. All right, Mia, your bed is up. Those shelves need to go somewhere. Not sure how we're gonna do the shelves. That is a piece for your bed that you don't need right now. Trash! We'll have to do your dresser at a later time. Your mom is tired, but you have a bed. Your daddy is asleep on the floor in your room. Right, yeah. We're gonna do your dresser today. It's really heavy, so I was a little intimidated, but this is what it's gonna be looking like. I'm about to pop this thing open so we can see what we're working with, and then we can figure out where your dresser is gonna go, because we also need to figure out where mine, I don't know, chair is gonna go whenever I order it, because I have to pick one, because I'm indecisive. KK, you just want to be in the camera so bad, sis. Hey, KK. All right, let's get started. All right, Mia, we're making progress. Still seems like it's a lot of pieces left, but the basic framework is looking good. And don't let nobody tell you that your mama ain't handy, because she real deal handy, okay? All right, it's been a minute, but step 8, putting the back on. Hold up. Hey, there's still a lot of pieces to go. I'm not sure how many more steps there are, but we are. I think we're just on the drawer pieces, so that's a plus, which are, it's gonna be these and some of this stuff down here. It was really hard to try to film the whole process of putting this together, because it was a lot of pieces. Like, there's a lot of pieces, y'all, and you know. But yeah, we're making waves. Both top drawers are done. Now to move on to the bottom ones. Yes, I'm eating Girl Scout cookies. Alright. So this is the base of our nursery. We'll come back and do part 2 once we start decorating.